Monopoly. Yeah, I do whatever I want, whenever I want. I love it. People keep talking, I just keep winning. I'm just like, fuck it.
What is up, guys? It's your boy Tommy MX, back out here on the free Supermoto. That is correct, the free Supermoto. Today we're going to practice some knee knockers, some combos, hit some 12 o'clocks. I really, like when I wheelie this bike, when I go like that, you know, I pull off to the right because they're so used to wheeling my 70 where you got to really pull up to do it. But today I'm going to be practicing just releasing the clutch and being really easy with it so I can stay straight in my wheelie and not swerve off to the right away, because I'm not at the point where I can know how to swerve properly. Not bad, not bad. I'm definitely getting better at that balance point right there. Those are first gear wheelies too, so that's not really all power. That's just straight balance. My back tire slipping out over there. Alright, let's try second gear wheelies now. Oh man, that's nice. I keep going, it's just I literally cannot see right now. That sun was in my eyes. I was riding blind right there. I'm not like B-Life, you know? Like Fatty and Kid. Those are some savages, you know? I can't wheelie this jaunt as well as them. I rode really far away from Mexico City today because, you know, I was taught don't where you eat. We're going to be practicing wheelies in the backside country of Mexico, because that's where I live, Mexico. So I can wheelie this jaunt all day. Now we're in my city. That's pretty comfortable right there. I definitely think I'm getting my clutch ups more dialed in. Look at you, freaking old ass man. What the hell? I can't pull those turns. Look at this. Imagine living here, just fishing all day. Oh yeah, a little burnout, little donut, daily donut, little. Oh yeah, boys, that was nice. I am feeling it now, boys. I got the clutch ups down. That's all I had to do. I was pulling off too much to the right in the beginning. Like, I'm not nervous to hit balance point, honestly. It's just once I start leaning to the right like crazy, that's when I get sketched out, because this bike's 300 pounds, never rode a bike this heavy, and I'm not even that good at swerving to begin with. On the 70, I'm pretty decent at swerving, I'm not gonna lie. But on this bike, nah. Go 20 miles an hour. It's the sweet spot. Classic look behind. Hey, a dog! Hi, doggy! He wasn't even angry at me, he wanted to play. Oh shit, it's a chopper. Oh shit. We got a chopper on us, boys. We got a chopper on us. Put that plate up. Oh crap, we got a chopper. Dude, we got a chopper on us. Oh my god. Dude, it's actually dead ass on us. Holy shit. Holy crap, dude, we got a chopper on us. Holy crap. Holy. Oh, this is sick! We got a thumbnail for you, baby! Woo! Let's go in some wooded area so they can't catch us. I just had a chopper on me. This guy did a wheelie right by it. I didn't even know that they were there. When you're being chased, the most common way to turn is right. So let's go left. My plate is flipped up right now, just so that the chopper don't see me. He lost me. He lost me. Yes, boys, we escaped the chopper. Chopper chased us already, dog. That's actually wild. Holy. Knee knocker action for you, boys. Dude, why don't they care? I thought like people around here are bike life movement, dog. Ooh-wee. I'm starting to get a little nasty on this DRZ. Saw that last little wheelie I had. Even the little tiny one I just took. Hit balance point, coasted a little bit, then I brought it down because the car in front of me stopped. I love just doing that little tune. Oh shit. Oh shit. There's a cop right there, boys. Oh buddy. Alright guys, it's Tommy MX signing off with another video. Peace out.